Hello everybody and welcome to your official Loog guitar lessons. I'm so glad you joined me. My name's Emily Zimmer. I'm going to be your teacher. Let's rock. And this is how you play a D minor chord. By the way, all of these chords are on your flashcards as well as in the Loog app. So if you need an extra reminder of how to make this chord shape, just go ahead and check out one or both of those two resources, and the info's right there for you. Let's take our first finger. We're going to stick that at the first fret, first string. All right, now at the same time, we're going to reach over with our second finger to the second fret, third string. Now, our third finger is going to go to the second string, third fret. Now that's right where the dot is on your fretboard. So you can think about pressing down on that dot right there. So curl up those fingers, stay way up on the fingertips, everything in its place, and that's your D minor. So practice holding that chord shape down and strumming a little bit with it. And I know with some time and dedication and trying your best, you're going to get there with this chord. Thanks a lot, and come back for more lessons. Remember to subscribe to the Loog Guitars channel and press the bell icon so you can get notified every time we have a new lesson up. Until next time.